Hey there, I'm Adrienne and thanks for watching my channel Pause and Write It Down. Every time you open up your dishwasher, are you getting a whiff of stank? That's because you need to clean it. So I'm here to show you how.
I'm a housewife and I do love to clean.
I've written a parody version of Dirty Deeds Done Dirt Cheap for your enjoyment and also just to be a little bit different.
If you're trying to tackle a clean job at home or have any suggestions of videos I should do on my channel, please comment below. While you're there, if you could please subscribe and like this video.
If you're having trouble with your dishwasher, it's giving you the blues. You want to clean it, but you don't know how. Here's what you gotta do. Go to YouTube, I'm always home. Subscribe me anytime. Just search for Pause and Write It Down. Hey! I love to grind.
That's what I'm talking about. We need to
Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and they're done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and they're done dirt cheap. You got problems rearranging stuff. Do forks go up or down? Watch me how and I'll be your new friend. That's when the cleaning starts, fella. Pick up a brush and vinegar and some baking soda. Run hi-temp, forget about it. We'll have ourselves a ball. Hey, dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and they're done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and they're done dirt cheap. If you got some spots and you want them gone, you got to clean the guts. It keeps lagging at you night and day, enough to drive you nuts. You got to own, let out a moan. It's time to lend a hand. For a fee, I'm happy to be your house woman. Woo! Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds, done dirt cheap. Dirty deeds and they're 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 done dirt cheap. Yeah! Plates and bowls, cutlery, cups and mugs, done dirt cheap. Glassware, plastic, dishwash set.